In 2026, $2,000 a month online is totally doable with just your phone and Wi-Fi. No degree, no boss, starting as early as March. Ditch the 9-to-5 grind. That's $66 a day from easy 4-hour hustles. Creators like Mr. Beast stacked smart moves to build empires, and you can too for steady cash. We're breaking down a dead simple plan with 3 beginner streams: quick freelance gigs on Upwork, passive affiliate links, and simple digital downloads. No fame needed. Stick around for the exact math to hit $2,000 in 30 to 60 days. Ready to flip your income? Smash like, subscribe, and let's dive in. The $66 per day target rule. Instead of looking at $2,000 as one big number, we break it into smaller, achievable daily goals. $2,000 per month comes down to about $66 per day, which feels much easier to handle. Many beginners fail because they try to earn big money too quickly and get frustrated when it doesn't happen. Starting small, like earning $20 today and $30 tomorrow, builds confidence and creates steady progress. If we set up 3 small income streams giving around $22 daily each, reaching the $66 target becomes simple. Thinking daily first makes the process feel less stressful, and small, consistent wins slowly add up to big monthly results. This approach also teaches beginners discipline and patience, which are key to long-term online success. The Skill Flip Starter Plan. You don't need high-level skills to start making money online. Pick one small, practical digital skill and spend about 1 hour each day learning it for 14 days. Skills like Canva, poster design, menu creation, or social media post design are simple and in demand. After learning, you can offer this service to local businesses or online clients for around $40 per project. Closing just 2 clients a week can earn $80, which adds up to $320 in a month. Many small shops need regular content like flyers, menus, or posts, so the work keeps coming if you do it well. This method helps beginners gain confidence, learn client communication, and start building their first income stream without feeling overwhelmed. The micro-service bundle move. Instead of selling one service at a time, package multiple services together as a bundle. For instance, offer 10 Instagram posts, 5 captions, and a small logo update in one package. Business owners love bundles because they save time and get more done at once. Selling 3 to 5 bundles a month can bring steady profits while keeping your workload manageable. You can hire affordable freelancers for parts of the work and keep the difference as your profit. Bundles let you provide higher value to clients without increasing your personal effort, and they make your offers look professional and appealing. This method also helps beginners learn pricing, client management, and quality delivery. The digital resale ladder. Digital reselling is a fast-growing opportunity in 2026. Services like website setup, resume writing, or AI content creation are always needed by local businesses or online clients. You can find freelancers who do these tasks cheaply and then resell the services at higher rates to clients who need them. Completing even 1 deal per week can create steady monthly income. The key is to communicate clearly with clients, set fixed delivery times, and ensure quality work. Business owners pay more for reliability and speed, so managing the process well builds trust. Over time, beginners can scale by adding more clients, expanding services, and increasing earnings without doing all the work themselves. The weekend cash booster weekends are often the best time to make quick online income. Many business owners plan their week on Saturdays and Sundays and post urgent tasks that need immediate help. Spending just a few focused hours messaging clients during the weekend can result in fast deals. Even one deal over the weekend can significantly add to monthly earnings. Beginners notice that fewer competitors are active on weekends, which increases the chance of closing deals. Making weekend work a regular habit helps beginners grow income steadily while leaving weekdays for learning, research, or additional small tasks. This strategy also teaches time management and prioritizing urgent opportunities. The simple affiliate push, affiliate marketing in 2026, is about helping people, not spamming links. You can promote software, online tools, or online stores and earn commissions for each sign-up or sale. Even small actions like sharing honest reviews on WhatsApp, TikTok, or social media can bring consistent income. You don't need thousands of followers. Helping a few hundred active people can generate real results. Over time, combining multiple affiliate programs can become a reliable income source. Beginners also learn marketing skills, writing, and how to present products or services in a helpful way. This method is low-cost, flexible, and works well alongside other income streams. 3-stream balance for steady income. Replacing a $2,000 monthly salary becomes much safer when multiple income sources work together. One stream could be design services, another could be digital reselling, and a third could be affiliate or small passive income. These streams together create a stable income that continues even if one slows down or a client pauses work. Beginners focusing on multiple streams also learn important skills like planning, organizing tasks, and prioritizing work efficiently. Gradually building each stream allows for steady growth without feeling overwhelmed. It also teaches resilience, as handling multiple income sources prepares you for fluctuations in client demand. Smart 4-hour daily routine. You don't need to work long hours to earn online. A focused 4-hour daily routine can produce significant results if done consistently and with purpose. Hour 1 can be spent reaching out to new clients or sending personalized messages. Hour 2 is for managing ongoing projects, tracking deadlines, and updating clients about progress. Hour 3 focuses on improving one skill, such as learning a new app, enhancing your design abilities, or exploring a small marketing trick. Hour 4 is for following up with old leads, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Doing this routine Monday to Friday creates a structured week, prevents burnout, and helps beginners use their time efficiently. Consistent effort, even in short focused blocks, leads to noticeable progress in 30 to 60 days. 90-day growth roadmap. Having a clear 90-day plan helps beginners avoid frustration and see results gradually. In the first 30 days, the focus should be on learning key skills and landing the first 3 to 5 clients. Even small earnings show progress and build confidence. Days 31 to 60 are for slightly increasing prices, improving skills, and adding a second income stream, which naturally boosts monthly income. By days 61 to 90, work becomes faster, repeat clients start appearing, and processes are more organized. Following this roadmap step by step teaches patience, improves time management, and prevents burnout. Building repeat client relationships. Repeat clients are essential because they create predictable income and save the stress of constantly finding new ones. Delivering work on time, maintaining clear communication, and occasionally offering small perks like an extra revision builds trust and loyalty. Even a few steady clients can cover a large portion of your monthly income goal. Maintaining these relationships allows beginners to focus more on improving quality and efficiency, rather than spending all their energy looking for new clients. Over time, repeat clients reduce uncertainty, make scheduling easier, and form a reliable foundation for long-term online earnings. Consistency in delivering value helps beginners gain referrals naturally, further boosting income. Raising prices without losing clients. Starting with lower prices is fine to attract first clients, but gradually increasing rates helps income grow sustainably. Small increments in pricing reflect your growing skills and confidence, and allow you to earn more without needing more clients. Even if a few clients decide to leave, new higher-paying clients usually replace them, keeping your income stable. Gradual price increases help beginners value their time, encourage better work habits, and build a professional reputation. Learning to raise prices strategically ensures your business grows steadily while avoiding overwork or burnout. It also teaches negotiation skills and understanding the market value of your services. Monthly income checkpoint. Checking income regularly keeps your goals clear and ensures you are on track. Monitoring each stream, noting which clients or projects bring more returns, and adjusting efforts accordingly makes growth predictable. Beginners learn to balance work, focus on the most profitable tasks, and identify areas for improvement. This approach helps prevent wasted time and ensures consistent progress month to month. Breaking large income goals into smaller, trackable parts makes them feel achievable and provides motivation to continue improving skills and processes. Keeping a simple log or checklist can make this process easy and actionable. Step by step wins the race. Earning a $2,000 monthly income online is not magic. It comes from consistent action, planning, and patience. Breaking large goals into small daily targets makes them simple and manageable. Multiple income streams reduce risk and provide stability, while focusing just 4 smart hours daily prevents stress and burnout. Beginners should start small, stay consistent for 30 days, improve over 60 days, and by 90 days, online earnings can replace a regular salary. Staying focused, organized, and learning from every step builds long-term confidence and skill. If this guide helped clarify the path, hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step money strategies. Share it with friends who want to earn smarter, and together let's grow steadily, one step at a time.